Hello guys, and welcome back again to the CRM Carpenters tutorial series, and today I will teach you how you can get the records from the custom view of your CRM. So in here we might want to get the data in each custom view. So in this drop down you can see all the defaulted views of your leads page, and we have this custom view company is bread, where the preference of data are based on the user's preference, and we might want to get these records or each record in here. So to do that, I will show you by creating a function. Let's start by going to your settings and find the function. Go to functions, and we will going to create a standalone function. Let's make it and give it a name, custom view, custom view, and just copy and paste it in here and create. Let's enter this down, and first is we will create a variable for your get records. So let's try to use my open leads equals. So to get the records of your module, you can simply go into the internet and search for Zoho Get Records CRM, and in here the syntax, we will copy this one with all the parameters we needed, and just copy it and paste it in here. We might replace the variable by the variable we have just created, and from here we will replace each values of the get records. So module name, we will get the data from the leads. Just to make sure of the API, you can go to settings, and go under developer hub, go to APIs and SDKs, and click API names tab and go to leads, because we are using the leads module, and basically leads is the API name for leads. So from here, this is the starting page, or I can show in here that this is the page 1, and the function can fetch a record or get a record from 1 to 200 records. Okay, and this one is the query value, or we can say this is the custom view ID. And to get that, we'll go from here and find the Zoho CRM API, and we will find the parameter for the custom custom view meta API, and this is the parameter for it. And from here we will create a curly bracket, we'll put it inside a string, and on the other side is the value of custom view ID. So where will we get it? We will go in here, and this is the custom view ID of your custom view. So copy this and In here we will face it. So this is the ID, and next is the connection. We can leave this blank or we can remove this because we are inside our own CRM. And just to test it, we can info my open leads, save and execute. So here it is. Every record from that custom view is shown in here. But what if what we only want is some data from the custom view? Like for example, we only need the first name or last name and the company name and email. We will create a for each function. So it says that for each leads in my open leads, we will create a map. Lead map equals map. And from here we will put everything we want in the map. Map that put. Let's get the last name from the APIs. Put it in a string, last name and comma, and leads that get. So here is the map where we will get the value of each record in the custom view. Put it also in a string, and that's the value. Lead map that. What if we want to add also the company? Let's find the API of the company. So company is to company, comma, leads that or leads that get company, and lead underscore map. And we also might want to get the email. Let's get the API for email. Leads that get email. And I think there's one more thing. We should put this map into a list. Let's make a list in here. Lead list equals to list, and let us input this out. Let's delete this one and info. And but before we info it out, we should put all the maps that we have created into the list. So lead list that add lead map. So remember, if you have a list, you will need to add the map that you gathered or get to put it in the list. And finally, we can info this out. Info lead list. And let's save and execute. Oh, there's a error in number 8. I think we missed something in here, just a small detail, but plays a big role in the script. I think we lost the close parentheses for each row, for each line. And I think it's okay. Let's save and execute. And now we can see that the script is successful, and it shows. And as we are successful getting all the data we want, the last name, company, and email. So if we want to have a more prettier look, we can copy this all out and paste it into a JSON beautifier. It shows nothing. I think there's must be something wrong in our code, and if it's not displayable, you need to put it into a close and open bracket. Yeah, that's it. So it is showed by list for each record. So for each record, there is a list, and there are the maps data that we have get. And so that is the way how you can get the records from each custom view. Thank you for watching.